Hi everybody, I'm Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures.
And I'm Easton from Easton's Edge. And today we're going to tour my stateroom aboard the Odyssey of the Seas, stateroom number 11281. Oh, hey guys, come on in. Come on into my inside stateroom, which is just me and my brother's room, and my parents over there have their very own room, which is super exciting for me because I get to have my very own room all to myself with my brother. But anyway, we have a full-length mirror here. If I want to check out my entire outfit in the morning, I'd say this is more for mom because I don't really care what I look like. But coming on in more, we have a desk here and a nice mirror, which this is an actual mirror and it lights up here as well. So maybe if not me, but if somebody wanted to do their makeup in the morning, which nobody in this room will, but if you did want to, it's nice to have that option here that it lights up, and it's a nice large round mirror. Coming on down more to the bottom of this desk, you have the switch that turns off and on the mirror, and you have a few little cubbies here for makeup, perhaps, or toothbrushes maybe. That's where I put my toothbrush. You have two masks here, which are just the standard masks, but they have the Royal Caribbean logo, and they're not required anymore on board. So you see a lot of people walking around without them, which is okay now. And there's also some outlets here. You have the standard outlet, the European outlet, if that's for you, and also some nice USB ports, which is what we use because it's really nice to not have to bring out that big clunky head thingy. No more of that. And you have some papers here with just a lot of information. And you have a chair here to sit down maybe in the morning. Nice soft chair to do your makeup or whatever. Once again, makeup. But coming on further back over to this room, let's move on here. We have a nice flat screen TV. Remote is here. Drawers. So put all your kinds of stuff in here, cords, USB stuff, and you have your hair dryer. Moving back on over here, you have Kleenex, and you have your room service menu. So you hang this on your door, you check the things you want, what time, stateroom number, all that good stuff. And they deliver it to your room. Leave that there for now. But the TV can also turn over here toward the bed. And one thing I actually do want to notice is that I sleep in the bed over here on the right side, or your left side, my bad. And you get a weird view of the TV. Of course you can still see it, but it's not a perfect view, which a lot of people who aren't addicted to TV don't have a problem with. And more drawer space, of course. Of course, they're all the same. Moving back over here, we have a nice fridge. Has water in it. Okay. Now moving back over here further in, you have my shoes over here because that's a nice little spot to put your shoes. Something that I'd like to mention. I get out of bed, slip them on, go out the door. It's really nice. And of course, your nice, soft bed here, and underneath you have a lot of storage space to put your luggage, which I have my luggage there now. And moving back over here, something that I'd like to mention, we each have our own little nightlight thingy, which is not controlled by the master switch, so I can stay up, maybe read a book, whatever, while he goes to bed. And of course over here you have the same thing, nightlight, bed, storage space, and you have a telephone. And these nice little tables over here, which you can put the remote in here, your phone here, whatever. But opening up these, you have so much space in here. As you can see, I have packed it full of all my stuff. It's super handy. I have my pajamas over there, and when I'm getting ready for bed, I just stand up, grab my stuff. Maybe he's reading a book, got my entertainment over here. It's super handy. Same thing over here above that one. Moving back on over here, since this is an inside stateroom, like most others, it does have just the chair, no couch, because it doesn't fold down. Of course, it's a nice chair to sit and watch TV or whatever you'd like. As you can see, my brother has his luggage right there, which is a nice spot because it's not even in the way. You have your drawer space here, 2 of those, and a nice big cupboard, which as you can see, we do have a safe, tons of shelving, storage space. Open her up all the way. Hangers, you can move in, hang up all your stuff. This is...
Yep, the safe is really good. I suggest you put your passports, cash, and all your valuables in your safe. And also, there are plenty of hangers. On a lot of cruise lines, there aren't as many hangers, but there are lots and lots of hangers in this closet.
After a little mom takeover there, she actually had to explain this one to me, and I find it quite fascinating. She just said that if you have like dresses, for instance, you hang them here, but men don't have dresses, so hang your shirts there. Pretty cool, I think. Put this back up. Put it back up. You can close the door with that down as well, which is really nice as well. And you have your laundry service, so maybe you're on vacation, you don't want to do laundry, all that good stuff, just have them do it for you. And we also have some hooks here that I just noticed. Hang whatever you want, hats maybe. Moving on from this closet into the bathroom. So the little switch turn-ons right there. Open her up and come on in. So you have your toilet, obviously, switch, everything. They actually have cups here, of course. You can use toothbrush, brushing your teeth. So we have washcloths here, sink, soap, and what else we got in here? Oh yeah, we have toilet paper here, of course, towels, more towels, laundry bag, trash. Only toilet paper can go in these toilets. Everything else has to go in the trash can down here, which should be mentioned. And also, there is a fee for obstructing the toilet. Just thought I'd point that out. $100 fee for that. So back on over here to the shower. Come on in here. As you can see, it's a nice big circular shower. I'm trapped in here. Anyway, we have a nice shower head that it disconnects. You get it. And something that I actually thought was kind of cool when I was taking a shower was this thing right here. It's a shampoo and body wash dispenser. And I know this is very echoey, but so anyway, you just dispense the shampoo, wash up. You have your controlling the shower and temperature control. One shelf to put here, which you'll notice in the other rooms there is more than one shelf. There's actually 2 shelves, but we'll get to that later. And of course you have your foot rack here for mom says shaving her legs. I don't have that problem, luckily.
I like to pack my own soap and shampoo and everything on this cruise ship anyway, because the hair and body wash combination doesn't really cut it for long hair.
Girls. I just slapped some of that stuff on me and I'm good to go. Okay, moving back out of the bathroom. Coming back out in here, some stuff that should be mentioned. Now, over to the cool things. Thermostat. And this controls the temperature, so maybe you like to sleep cooler, turn it down hot in the day. And of course you have to have your key card in here to keep the lights on, so when you remove it, that way it saves on electricity, you get it. But something that I really like about this room and that should be mentioned is, say you're a late sleeper, you stayed up till 1 last night partying in the kids club. You like to sleep in late, but a lot of times the daytime will wake you up. So, since this is an inside stateroom, there is no windows, there's nothing to wake you up. So you can sleep all day long, because even at 10 a.m., which it is actually like 12 right now, afternoon, it is pitch black, so you can sleep for as long as you want. And the last thing is that over here, you have your magnet to control where the guy comes and cleans your room or not. So you have sleeping off an adventure, so you put that on the front, and he's gonna come, and he's gonna see this, and he's gonna decide they're sleeping, he's gonna leave. But this, out catching thrills, please make up my room. This tells him that you're out right now and that he should come in and make your room. And of course, you have sanitized, of course the room is sanitized, and your emergency, your guide to your muster station, which hopefully we don't need. And that's about it. That's going to do it for this stateroom. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you very much for joining us on this quick room walkthrough of this inside stateroom on Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. If you like our channel, make sure you
Like,
subscribe,
and leave a comment down below.
and check our channel as we will be adding up videos with additional tips and tricks that are all about the Odyssey of the Seas, things that you need to know about this ship before you get on board. And again, I am Melissa. You'll find me at pixiedustadventures.com.
Bye.
Bye.